Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter, agriculture. So at first we need to know the definition of agriculture. Agriculture is the science or practice of farming including cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide food, wool and other products. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in our country. It is a primary activity. Types of Indian crops. Indian crops are divided into two broad categories, food crops and cash crops. Food crops are those that are grown for consumption. For example, rice, wheat, millets, pulses, etc. And cash crops are generally grown for making money. For example, cotton, jute, tea, coffee, etc. On the basis of sowing and harvesting, there are two main agricultural seasons in India. They are Kharif season and Rabi season. Kharif crops are also known as monsoon crops and Rabi crops are also known as winter crops. Kharif season starts from the first week of June. For example, the main Kharif crops are rice, pulses, cotton, etc. And Rabi crops, these crops are grown from November to April. For example, wheat, mustard, etc. First point, food crops. Rice. Rice is a Kharif crop. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is the most important crop in India. Rice is grown in West Bengal, Punjab, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Kerala in India. Wheat. Wheat is a Rabi crop. It is the second most important crop in India. It is the staple food of north and northwestern parts of India. The major states that grow wheat are Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh produces the highest quantity of wheat in India. Millets. Millets are a group of small seeded grains. They include jowar, ragi and bajra. India is the largest producer of millets in the world. Come to the next point. Pulses means dal. Pulses are grown all over the country. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. They are grown in regions with dry climate. Madhya Pradesh is the leading producer of pulses in India, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Cash crops. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a cash crops. The hot tropical climate of India is suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in India. Jute. India is the world's largest producer of jute. It grows well in warm and humid climate. Jute is used to make bags, carpets and a variety of other products. It is the cheapest natural fiber. It is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Odisha. Oilseeds. These include groundnuts, castor seeds, sunflower seeds, mustard seeds, etc. Vegetable oils and fats are extracted from oilseeds. They are used in cooking. In India, Gujarat is the leading producer of groundnuts. Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan are the leading producers of mustard seeds. Okay. Come to the next point, cotton. It is grown in regions with bright sunshine and moderate rainfall. Cotton is used in textile industry to make a variety of cloths. Cotton is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh in India. Tea. It is an example of cash crop and cotton also. India is one of the world's largest producers of tea. It grows well in tropical climate and is grown in the Nilgiri Hills in the south, Assam and West Bengal. Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea grown in the northern part of West Bengal is world famous. Coffee. It is mainly grown in the southern states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Varieties of coffee are grown including Arabica and Robusta coffee. Indian coffee is said to have the finest taste in the world. Spices. Spices are used to give a good flavor to the food. The common spices are cardamom, pepper, etc. Spices are grown in Kerala and Karnataka in India. Rubber. It is primarily grown in Kerala and the southwest coast of Tamil Nadu. It is most commonly used as pencil erasers and rubber bands. It is used in making tires and tubes in an automobile industry. Okay. Livestock rearing. Livestock refers to animals like cows, sheep, goats, poultry, horses that help to provide food, cultivate the farm and transport the product to buyers. Livestock is generally raised for survival or to make money. Livestock rearing helps farmers in many ways, like cows gives us milk. A variety of dairy products is produced from milk, like ghee, butter, cheese. Goats gives us milk and meat, and sheep gives us wool and meat also. Poultry. Poultry refers to the birds like hens and ducks. They gives us eggs and meat. Cattle waste. Cattle waste is used as manure and to produce biogas. Okay. So this is the summary of the chapter. All of you go through the chapter properly. Okay.